There you go.
Hi, today I have some balloons to put in the washing machine. I've all the colors in the rainbow except purple. This is my first water balloon. He's red. Oh, no. Here's my second. Woo! Woo! He is orange. Here's my third. Oh man. Here's the biggest of them all. He's green. Here's one of the weird. Here's the first weird shaped one. It's blue. This is the second weird shaped one, which is also the last one that I'm going to be showing you. And alright. All the balloons are successfully in the washing machine. Let's spin them. Woo! That. Woo! Woo! Yellow one. No one's scared. I expected one to be popped. Dad, none of the washing machine, none of the balloons have popped yet.
What's up, buddy?
None of the balloons have popped yet.
No pops? How many times did you spin it?
Three?
Yeah.
I'm pretty hard. Hurry! Back out. Just a quick break. So I got it. Oh! Yeah. These. Oh, it's hard work. Ugh. One of them. I think one of them. Oh! I'm gonna get them all out. And throw them in. Alright. Start with the first color rainbow. Red. How did that not do anything? Whatever, I'm gonna throw it from farther away. What? It's even harder this time. Yeah! Red popped. Alright. The next color of the rainbow I have is orange. Of course, I'm never gonna get one of these. I at least got gotta get one on the first try. Please get it on the third try. Third time's a charm. Here we go. What?
Those are pretty tough water balloons.
Yeah, I got the red one to pop.
Yeah? Try again. Whoa!
Oh my. If it doesn't work this time, I have to take a break and start on the yellow one.
Wow!
That's it. I'm just gonna go straight to the yellow because, yeah, that orange one is this not breaking. How do I only get one to pop? Are the other ones indestructible? Yeah.
Oh.
Now that was that.
Oh, look, the drain's working. See the water coming out?
Yeah. Oh my god.
That green one will break easy, I think.
Yeah. I think all of them except the red and the green, which are two opposite colors, won't break. Oh my gosh!
Alright, try the green one.
Yeah, this one's gonna pop first try.
What?
What? No way! Alright, it's never gonna break this time. What the heck was that?
Did it break?
I think it did.
Yeah.
It did.
Whoa.
It just flattened. Did it?
Is it still in there?
It got, no, it's underneath the washing machine.
Oh.
But that still counts.
Yeah, what's next?
I'm gonna try yellow again. Oh my! You know what? Oh, come on.
You want me to spin it and you can throw it in?
Yeah, you spin it and throw it. This washing machine is overdrive. I just keep spinning it for the rest of the day. How? What? Stop spinning it! What do you... Alright. Start spinning it again. What? This should do it. This was... Hang on. You gotta get that out of there. Alright. I'm gonna throw two at a time. Orange and yellow. Here we go. Woo! That yellow one's still going. What yellow one's still alive? The orange one is very bouncy. Thanks. Alright. Let's take the yellow one out. There is no point of wash. What is wrong? Oh! Yo.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! This orange one is very bouncy. This right in there.
Did the pink one pop?
Nope. I'm just gonna throw the. I'm just gonna go straight to the blue because.
You could try to throw them straight up in the air so it comes down on top, too.
Maybe it will land right on the washing machine.
Ooh.
What? that survive. I'm gonna do it even higher. Oh! How on earth did it survive?
What if you put the ones you have left and some screws in there and spin it?
Oh. Hang on a second. This is ruined here.
What are you doing? You saw a ladybug?
Dad, can
Are
you
you trying to
spin
catch
it? You spin it. Screws are in. Start spinning. Start spinning.
Start spinning it?
Yeah. I'll put the balloon and you spin it.
Alright, you got sharp ones?
Yeah, I think they're sharp.
Alright.
Why is the only one that's dead?
Those are some tough water balloons.
Yeah. And that's not even gathering. Normal balloons. It's not popping. Good job,
Alright.
I'm gonna float right up in the air. It's gonna crash down on the washing machine.
There's a balloon in the washing machine. Did you get it on Facebook Marketplace and you're having fun with it?
Right on the video.
Uh-oh.
What the heck?
That is a very sturdy balloon.
Yes.
The
Spency's
only
making a
one that
video.
popped is the red and the green. The green one's underneath the washing machine. What? No, it almost fell off. What
Renee and Garrett delivered this to him for his birthday.
Aww.
Yeah, and I look like a washing machine mechanic.
Gorgeous, darling. You got your winter fur coming in? You are just a fussy.
Spencer,
Yeah.
it looks like you're having fun.
Yeah, I am.
You are, okay.
Can you don't carve pumpkins without me?
Oh, yeah, that's what I was gonna say. When will you be ready?
Do we need to do a part 2?
I'm not sure. Can I run this for 5 more minutes?
Sure.
Whoa. Oh, there you got it.
Bird one self-destructed, the blue one.
I think it was the super high throw that did it.
That was really good, Spence.
I was really hoping for the more washing machine. I'm gonna.
A lazy cat. Uh-oh.
I think after seeing it burst, after like the third or fourth throw, I trust it a little bit more than I should, maybe.
That was. Oh man, we might have to tip it over to get the pink one.
Just reach in there. You can reach it. See it down below?
I don't know
So
what
is it a Samsung or a Maytag
Yeah.
or a...
It was a Samsung.
It was.
See it?
Oh man, I really don't want to get my hands dirty.
What?
Yeah.
You're a Sabo. You're a Mud Club kid. All right, hold on.
There's a spider web underneath there.
Oh, all right.
Spiderweb that's getting
Dirt
grab it
is
now?
okay. Dirt is okay. Spider webs are not.
Okay. It's my guest appearance on the video.
What? That was your fault.
wall.
I wanted it straight more than that. Give it to me.
Show the video.
I hope I don't squirt it in the camera.
All right, give it a toss now.
It should break
Should.
to a crisp. Squeeze the water out.
You're off camera.
Oh. Now I am. Ow! That's it. Gets the foot.
Gets
It's
the
like warm
foot.
enough for like a sprinkler today.
Oh my god. You know what? I'm just gonna.
You're off camera. Whoa! Nice job.
Ripped.
Wow! It ripped in your hands. Look at the splatter down here. That's amazing.
Mom, I think I'm confident I can destroy all the balloons.
Okay.
Can I destroy all of them?
Pretty confident.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, not all of them.
So when we throw our balls up on the roof, they kind of come on down. What would happen if you
Probably knock off our gutters.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna stop
Maybe we'll
there.
suggest that.
This
You think you can throw it on the roof, Spence?
is just like a
Underhand. You got it. You got it. Maybe I should. Hear all those birds out there.
I got really close.
Actually, you have to get sunglasses. You cannot see.
What? I can't even see the balloon.
I think it popped, buddy.
I saw splatter.
That was a crazy throw.
There is no sign of the balloon or any evidence. Whatever, let's just say it popped. Let's just go. Dad, that's up high.
I'm following you.
Oh.
Last balloon. You need a screwdriver? Psst.
No.
Okay.
Oh my god! Sorry,
Louis like,
Oh my god. Bye.
Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah. Can I post it on YouTube first?
Yeah.